Today I will present about our project.
Product summary.
Our group decided to make a Canselori replica.
Product design specification.
For our characteristic and specification, we decide to produce a cheap and quality product. We are using PLA and Prospect.
Product planning.
This is our organization chart. For project manager is Muhammad Nasrullah. For project designer is Muhammad Israel, and me as a project financial. For our Gantt chart, we start do a project from week 3 until week 30.
Financial.
This is our CapEx for my group.
This is our OPEX for my group.
Total for CapEx is 23,350, and for our OPEX is RM334.40.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nasir Hakim Ruslan. I will explain the technology that involved in our product. First, we use computer-aided design, which is we use the software of SolidWorks. Second, additive manufacturing, we use a 3D printing. Why we use computer-aided design? Because it's to create computer-based model during the design process. Additive manufacturing is a technology used to produce and physical model or to prototype directly from 3-dimensional computer-aided design. Now, I will explain the procedure for our project. First, we make a sketching and make a 3D drawing with a full dimension by using a SolidWorks. Then, we generate a STL file and transfer it to CryptWare software to generate a G-code and time building. After that, we transfer the G-code to the 3D printing machine to start the printing process. After it finishes, we make a finishing by removing the support. We also make a sanding to get a better surface, and then we install the acrylic around the product. This is our final product for these subjects. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Izrul and I will continue to explain about our project. So, moving to the next topic, which is concept and design sketches. We are requested to do to make a merchandise or souvenir, which is it can represent the item in a single product and in a conceivable and memorable way. So, we produced 3 different sketches with the same concept, and in order to choose one of the design, we use the rating weighted evaluating method with 4 criteria, and after we give rating to all the design, it's turned out the second design will be the final design. Moving to the next subtopic, which is result. After we obtain the 3D CAD model from SolidWorks software, we convert the file into STL file, and then we transfer the data into CryptWare software. After waiting about 5 hours and 17 minutes, the product finally finished fabricate by the machine. After finish fabricate the product, we learned that there are some defect occurs to our product, which is moved filament. This occurred during fabricating at hangover part. And we also noticed that the stair-stepping effect at certain part of the product cannot be removed by sanding process because of narrow space. During our project, some limitation has occurred and need to be solved in order to continue our project. And one of it is drawing reference. The only reference that we have at that time is the actual building. After doing some research, we found a website in Google that provides us with a 3D model of Canselori Hall, and this can help us to make assumption of the dimension for the building. Another limitation that occurs during our project is acrylic cutting dimension, and the acrylic have a big dimension, big tolerance after cutting. So to make it more precise, we use a heated knife to cut it more precise and more fluent.
Development time.
This is engineering time for Muhammad Nasrullah. This is engineering time for Muhammad Israel. And the last one, this is engineering time for Nur Shazwan. To calculate the pricing, working hours on project, we spend 9 hours per person. Material cost to produce a unique product. We take 50% profit for one product.